Hello students, in this class we learn about the pole, how to finding the pole. Whenever polar is given with respect to the circle, we will learn how to find out the pole. Already we discussed about pole and polar, so that in this class we learn only how to finding the pole. Here whenever a line procedure to find out the pole of a circle. So whenever a circle equation is given and a line is given, corresponding a line is given, we need to find out the pole of the line with respect to the circle. Suppose the required pole B, let the required pole be PH comma K. With that point, through this point, suppose if it is given, a circle is given and a line is given. Suppose if it is a line, given line, we need to find out the polar. When the line L is equal to 0 is exterior of the circle, if it do not intersect the circle, the pole is inside the interior of the circle. Suppose if you want to find out the pole for the given line, let PH comma K be the pole. We are assuming PH comma K be the pole. Whenever we assume PH comma K is a pole, then immediately we need to find out its polar with respect to the circle S is equal to 0. So how can you get the polar of PH comma K? By using the notation S1 is equal to 0. So using S1 is equal to 0, we get the polar. Now we write the polar in this case. Already the polar of the given line is given. A line is given. L is equal to 0 be the polar of the particular point, whatever the point we are assuming, that polar is L is equal to 0. అయిపోయిందా? ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి?
ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది.
పెన్సిల్తో రాసావా? -1, ఇది 1, -1, ఇది మైనసా? పెన్తో దిద్దేస్తావా? కనపట్లేదేమో, పెన్తో దిద్ది. This is one of the question given on pole and polar. What is given? Let a variable curves are drawn to the conic from a point 2, 5. Find the locus of point of intersection of tangents drawn at the end points of these curves. If you understand, a point is given and a conic is given. From this point, variable curves are drawn. Suppose let it be a conic. Let it be the given conic. Variable curves are, let us see, we can assume any, whether it is a circle or a parabola, hyperbola, whatever it is. If it is a conic, variable curves are drawn to the circle. Suppose 2, 5 is a point, given point. Variable curves are drawn to this conic. Suppose if the variable, it is one chord, this is other chord, there are so many variable chords exist. Suppose if it is intersecting the conic at A and B, it is intersecting the conic at C and D. Now variable chords are drawn from this point. Find the locus of point of intersection of tangents drawn at the end points of these chords. Means from A and from B at the end points, from C and D, variable chords are drawn. So you can draw as many tangents as possible at the end points of these extremities of these chords. Then they are all lying on a line. The line is called polar. By the definition of polar, what is the definition of polar? The locus of points of intersection of tangents drawn at the end points of the chords, variable chords, drawn from a point. The chords are drawn from a fixed point, is called the locus is called polar. So in this case, the locus of intersection, let us say it is x1, it is x2. So these are the locus of such points is called polar. Now we are based on the definition, it is directly the given question is the definition of polar, so that we are getting the polar equation by finding S1 is equal to 0 for this conic with the help of given point. So what is the equation of, by the definition by the definition of polar, the required line is polar of P 2, 5 with respect circle conic x square 3x square plus 4y square minus 8x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it is with respect to the conic is S1 is equal to 0. It is the conic equation. S1 is equal to 0, polar equation. So here S1 is 3 into xx1 plus 4 into y1 minus 8 into x plus x1 by 2 x plus x1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. 3 into x into x1 means it is x1 y1, so 2 plus 4 into y1 is 5 minus 4 times of x plus x1 is 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 6x minus plus 20y minus 4x minus 8 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore required polar is 6x plus 20y minus 6x minus 4x 2x plus 20y minus 9 is equal to 0 is the polar equation, the required line equation. Look at this problem once. Here if you see the problem, it is based on the polar and polar concept. Tangents are drawn to the conic y square plus 8x is equal to 20 from points on the line such that their chords of contact are concurrent. Find this point of concurrency. That is the problem. If we analyze the question properly, tangents are drawn to the conic. A conic is given. To the conic, tangents are drawn from points on the line. A line is given. There is a line. So given that there is a line and there is a conic, whether it is circle, whatever the conic it is, suppose consider it is a conic. So here from this definition, points on the line, so let it be equation P and Q are 2 points. From the points on the line, tangents are drawn to their points on the line, their chords of contact are concurrent. From this point you draw chords of contact. How to draw chords of contact? Chords of contact, if you draw a pair of tangents to this conic, if we join these 2 points, this is called chord of contact of P point. In the same manner, if you draw chord of contact for this conic, they are intersecting at point some these 2 points. Let us say this is other point. So let the chord of contact is AB for the point P, and chord of contact of P is, let us draw CD. These are concurrent at point P. That is the pole. Pole definition of the pole, another way, the pole is the point of concurrence of chords of contact drawn from the points on a given line. Okay, understand? Pole is the point of concurrence of chords of contact drawn from a point on the line, from all points on the line. Suppose a line is given, this is the given line, L is equal to 0. Suppose L is equal to 0 be the line, and if you draw chords of contact for all points on the given line, they are all concurrent. If you take some other point, if you draw a pair of tangents and the chord of contact, then they are also passing through this point. Let us say P, H, comma, K. That is the polar. That is the pole of this line, which is called polar. It is polar and it will be pole. Now our aim is to find out the point of intersection. So how to find out this point of intersection? We have to find out point of intersection, that is a pole. How to find out the pole? Let us consider to find out the pole. To find pole, let us take P, H, comma, K be the pole. Now polar is equal to, now equation of polar is S1 is equal to 0. So what is S1 is equal to 0? So with respect to the conic, it is the conic, given conic. So for the given conic, S1 is y1 plus 8 into x plus x1 by 2 minus 20 is equal to 0. That implies it goes 4 times, as the point P is with respect to the point H, comma, K, y1 means y into K plus 4 times of x plus H minus 20 is equal to 0. That is 4x plus yk plus 4h minus 20 is equal to 0. This is the polar. This is the polar of the given line. We are taking the point P with respect to the conic. We are finding the polar equation. This is equation 1. But here it is given that the line is given already. The polar is given already. But we notice that given polar is what is the polar? X plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 be the given polar. So 1, 2 are same. 1, 2 are same. So whenever they are same, by comparing the like coefficients, you will get the point H, comma, K. So now by comparing 1, 2, we get 4x plus yk plus 4h minus 20 is equal to 0. Other one is x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. X coefficient 4 by 1 is equal to k by 2 is equal to 4h minus 20 by minus 5, which is equal to k is equal to, from this equation k is equal to 8, and this is equal to 4 is equal to, from these two, by equating both, 4h minus 20 by minus 5, that is equal to minus 20 is equal to 4h minus 20, which implies h is equal to 0. 20 cancelled, h is equal to 0. Therefore required point P, H, K is equal to 0, 8. It is the pole. Okay, we assumed P, H, K be the pole, and we finding the polar, and from that polar, by comparing the given equation with that polar equation, you get P, H, K. That is the pole. This is first method. See alternately we can do this problem in another way. What is that? Given line is already here, x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0, and the conic as usual. But here we are not taking the point pole P, H, K, but by taking a parametric point on the given line. What is the line equation? X plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. If you consider the point a parametric, algebraic parametric form, this we say that this point is algebraic parametric point. So here if y is equal to, we can assume y is equal to t. If you assume that then x is equal to what happens? 5 go to that side, 5 minus 2y. That means as y is equal to t, 5 minus 2t is the x value. Therefore 5 minus 2t is x coordinate and y is t. Therefore this is the algebraic point on the line. Now a point is taken on this line. From this point we have to find out the polar of this conic. For this point we find the polar. Not we find the polar. From the point P we find the chords of contact. Chord of contact. Now we find out the polar of, now we find out the polar of P 5 minus 2t comma t with respect to the circle, with respect the conic y square plus 8x is equal to 20. So now we are finding the polar. Now we find the chord of contact, not polar. Now we find the chord of contact of, now we find, let P 5 minus 2t comma t be a point on the line. Now we find out the chord of contact of P 5 minus 2t comma t with respect to the conic y square plus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now we are finding the chord of contact for this equation. So that what is the chord of contact? y1 minus plus 8 into x plus x1 by 2 minus 20 is equal to 0. That means y into y1 means what? This is a t, that is a x1 y1 point, t plus 4 into, it goes 4 times 4 into x plus x1 means 5 minus 2t minus 20 is equal to 0. This is the line. That means yt plus 4x plus 20 minus 8t minus 20 is equal to 0. That is 4x plus 4x plus 20 minus 20 cancelled. Here we are getting a 4x plus yt minus 8t is equal to 0. This is the line in which the parameter t is there, so that we can write in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. That means L1 is L plus lambda L, L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. There should be one line and other lambda common somewhere else. That is 4x plus t times of y minus 8 is equal to 0. So here it is in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. The point of intersection of these chords, this is 4x is equal to L1 is equal to 4x is equal to 0 is one line, and y minus 8 is equal to 0 other line. The point of intersection of these two lines is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 8. Therefore P can be written as 0, 8. See, let us see once. Let us understand what I have done here. See here, I am taking a parametric point on here, and I am drawing, I am taking S1 is equal to 0, that is chord of contact for this point. That means we are drawing a pair of tangents to this conic, chords of contact. We are drawing a chord of contact. This is a pair of tangents, this is a chord of contact. and there are parametric point means there are many points exist on this. So for all the, by changing the value of a t, we are getting many points. Suppose t is equal to 1, we get 5 minus 2, 3 comma 1 is a point. For t is equal to 0, 5 comma 0 is other point. And for t is equal to some 3, we get other point. All the points on this line exists by taking various values of t, that is parameter. So by changing the position of p, we are getting different chords, different chords of contact for this conic. That means one time if you get the chord of contact here, other time we get some other chord of contact here by taking some other different point. So these all chords of contact are concurrent at point some r. So the points of contact, the point of concurrence of all chords of contact is nothing but pole. Therefore we are getting the pole here by solving all the chords of all the point of intersection of all chords of contact. That is, here s1 is equal to 0, we are getting by writing this point, using this point, we are getting the chord of contact, that is L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0, which represents, this is L1 plus lambda L2 means this is representing a family of lines passing through the point of intersection of L1 and L2. L1 and L2. This is representing the family of lines passing through the point of intersection of L1 and L2. Therefore, we can split the equation into 4x plus t into y minus 8. Therefore, we are getting 4x is equal to 0 one line and y minus 8 is equal to 0 other line. Therefore, we are getting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 8. In that case also we are getting 0 comma 8, which is the pole of the given line. Okay.